Assalamualaikum. We are going to present about compound interest, one of the topic that contained in business mathematics topic in intensive mathematics MAT 037. Before we proceed, here are the group members that cooperate each other to solve problem statement in this topic. Our group is group 5. There are Muhammad Shah Ikmal, Muhammad Kuzairi, Muhammad Nur Akmal, and Siti Nurhanisa Maisara Sulaiman. Let's go.
Let's begin with introduction to compound interest. As you can see, here is the difference between the original principal and the compound amount. Compound interest C equal to compound amount S minus original principal P. Compound interest is interest upon interest, where interest is added to the principal and the whole principal plus interest is treated as the new principal. For the calculation of the interest for the next period, the interest is added to the principal. The interest itself earns interest during the next time period for computing interest. This is what is meant when it is said that the interest is being compounded. The final sum at the end of the period of borrowing is called compound amount.
Compound interest formula. The derivation of the compound interest formula is as follows. Original principal is P. Interest rate per interest period is I. Number of interest period in the investment period is N. Future value, accumulated value after N interest periods is S. Then, original principal is P. Interest earned first period is PI. Future value at the end of first interest period is P plus PI equal P times 1 plus I. Interest earned second period is P times 1 plus I times I. Future value at the end of second interest period is P times 1 plus I plus P times 1 plus I times I. Continuing the process above can get S equal P times 1 plus I power of N. Therefore, compound interest is I equal S minus P.
Problem statement. Sarah invested Rm8,500 in an investment account at an interest rate of 8% compounded quarterly. 2 years later, they withdraw half of the internal investment from the account. Question number 1. State the value of P, S, K, M, and T where applicable based on the information given. Question number 2. Calculate the amount Sarah has to pay after 2 years. Question number 3. Calculate the total interest charge. Methodology. Let's focus to question number 1. The answer for question number 1 is P equal to 8,500. K equal to 8%, but we must change the 8% to decimal. So now the 8% is equal to 0.08. Thus, M equal to 4 because in the problem statement it said compound quarterly. T equal to 2 because in the problem statement it said 2 years. Question number 2. Using the formula S equal to P times 1 plus I power of N. P equal to 8,500. I equal to 0.08 over 4. N equal to 4 times 2. So the final answer is Rm 9,959 and 10 cents. Next, half the initial investment is 1 over 2 times 8,500 equal 4,250. So the amount left is 9,959 and 10 cents minus 4,250. So the amount left is Rm 5,709 and 10 cents. Question number 3. Using formula I equal S minus P. So 9,959 and 10 cent minus 8,500. So the answer is RM 1,459 and 10 cent.
Last is discussion. Based on what we have discussed, it is crucial that both consumers and retailers are aware of the selling price, gross profit, and cost pricing. It also serves to draw in more people and boost a product sales.